Benefits of taking vitamin E capsules. Contents. 1. Benefits of vitamin E for the eye. 2. Benefits of vitamin E for men. 3. The importance of vitamin E for the lips. 4. The importance of vitamin E for eyelashes. 5. Foods that contain vitamin E. 6. Benefits of vitamin E for the body. 7. Benefits of vitamin E for the skin. 8. Benefits of vitamin E for hair. 9. Benefits of vitamin E for women and children. 10. Effects of excessive vitamin E intake. The benefits of vitamin E capsules. The vitamin E, for the health of the body and to maintain the freshness of the skin and beauty. She is known among many women to treat skin problems. Companies producing cosmetics used in the formation of hair care products and skin because of its positive effects on healthy skin and hair. Here will we show the benefits of the vitamin and the harm of its deficiency on the health of the body. Raising the efficiency of the immune system. Moisturizing the area around the eyes. Dark circles treatment. Reduce puffiness around the eyes. Increase the density of eyelashes. Male infertility treatment. Chapped lips treatment. Improvement of kidney function. It prevents the spread of cancer cells. Strengthening the bones. Benefits of vitamin E for the eyes. Vitamin E is one of the most important vitamins that the body needs to perform many important functions, and its most important benefits are: it increases the efficiency of the body's immune system. Vitamin E is used with vitamin C capsules in the treatment of infections that occur in the eye, as it improves vision and eliminates these infections within 8 weeks. Vitamin E is one of the most important natural moisturizers that are used to moisturize the area around the eye, because it contains compounds that prevent dehydration in this area. A natural product used to treat dark circles that everyone suffers from, as it reduces these circles without resorting to expensive creams. The oil is extracted from vitamin E capsules, and is used directly on the area surrounding the eye to get rid of wrinkles in the elderly, as it works to tighten the skin and eliminate these wrinkles safely. Vitamin E reduces puffiness around the eyes, and this method can be prepared using coffee with vitamin E oil in order to obtain a quick and effective result. Vitamin E is used to get rid of the lines that appear around the eye, where it activates collagen Elmo presence in this region, and restores the skin to normal again. Helps protect the skin from harmful sun rays. Taking vitamin E capsules protects against the white water disease that many, especially the elderly, are exposed to. Vitamin E can be used in some natural recipes that increase the density of eyelashes. Cosmetic experts advise adding the oil inside the capsules of this vitamin to some moisturizers, and using it to lighten the area around the eye. It can be used with some natural oils such as olive oil in order to get a quick result in moisturizing and rejuvenating the damaged skin around the eye. Taking vitamin E daily protects against some diseases of the lens of the eye, because it is a powerful antioxidant, and it also prevents the oxidation of fats in the eye. Benefits of vitamin E for men. Vitamin E capsules are one of the most important nutritional supplements that many men use to enhance the general health of the body, especially the health of the immune system, and its best features are: it contains many compounds that have antioxidant properties, and these compounds protect the body from cancer cells in men. It is considered a natural and effective resistance to many types of bacteria and viruses that attack the body and cause many diseases. Protects men from stroke, as it preserves the platelets in the body and prevents their breakdown. Prevents the spread of cancer cells in men, especially prostate and bladder cancer. It is used in the treatment of male infertility, as it increases the number of sperm, as it prevents sperm deformation and improves its movement and composition. It is considered one of the most important vitamins that men use in the treatment of hair loss, as it stimulates hair growth and increases its luster and density. Vitamin E treats the dandruff that many men are exposed to, especially in the winter. It works to protect the scalp from infection with some fungal diseases, including psoriasis, and it also delays the appearance of white hair in men. It is used in the treatment of general weakness in men, especially sexual weakness, as it increases lust in men. Strengthens nerve cells in the elderly, and thus protects against Alzheimer's disease. It works to protect the brain from damage, because it reduces free radicals, and protects against Parkinson's disease. Taking vitamin E capsules improves kidney function and protects the liver from harmful fats. It is used to strengthen and support the bones in the elderly, and protects against rheumatic pain in pathological cases, because it is a strong anti-inflammatory. Vitamin E protects men's skin from harmful rays and moisturizes it. The oil extracted from vitamin E is used in the treatment of acne, and it also fights wrinkles that appear with age. It reduces the chances of heart attacks, because it prevents oxidation within cells, and reduces the fat that causes it. Protects against exposure to respiratory diseases in elderly men, because it is a powerful antioxidant, and works to raise the body's immunity against these diseases. The importance of vitamin E for lips. The oil contained in the capsules is used in some natural recipes that are used to exfoliate the damaged skin of the lips and has many benefits, such as, use it as a lip balm in the winter, as it removes dead skin and restores its freshness. It stimulates blood flow to the lips naturally, so they appear pink. It protects the lips from the harmful rays of the sun, and restores the freshness and vitality of the lips. Vitamin E contributes to getting rid of the tan in the area around the lips, and it also prevents the appearance of wrinkles in the elderly. Helps regenerate skin cells, making lips soft and moisturized. It is used alongside olive oil to treat chapped lips, and protect them from dehydration that they may be exposed to. The importance of vitamin E for eyelashes. It is one of the most important vitamins that have antioxidant properties. It works to get rid of bacteria that can be present in the eyelashes and is used for the following. It is used to lengthen eyelashes, and also increases their density. It is recommended to put vitamin E on the eyelashes, especially before bedtime, because it stimulates the growth of eyelashes hair in a natural and effective way. It contains alpha-tocopherol, which stimulates blood circulation, prevents eyelashes from falling out, and also works to increase their growth. Foods that contain vitamin E. Many foods are rich in vitamin E, such as whole grains, nuts, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado, and vegetables. Aloe papers such as spinach, beans, eggs, meat, milk, seaweed and brown rice, corn, plant flax, wild roses, and clover. Vitamin E benefits for the body. It is considered as an antioxidant capsule that stimulates blood circulation and prevents damage to cells and tissues, and it can be obtained by taking nutritional supplements that contain a high percentage of vitamin E, and here we will present its benefits for the health of the body. Protects the elderly from Alzheimer's disease. Helps treat Parkinson's disease. It treats arthritis and helps treat rheumatoid disease. It helps treat heart disease and prevents heart attacks and atherosclerosis. It also helps to strengthen the body's immunity. Vitamin E benefits for skin. It is also one of the important vitamins for skin health, and helps treat skin and skin problems and prevents skin cancer, as it contains antioxidants, and it is included in many skincare recipes, and here we will show the benefits of vitamin E for the skin. Helps fight wrinkles, signs of aging and fine lines. It prevents skin damage and helps cell regeneration. It is used as a protection for the skin against the harmful rays of the sun. It moisturizes dry skin and gives it a lustrous and silky texture. Moisturizing the lips and prevents dryness. Helps in the disappearance of marks, scars, and stretch marks in the skin. Strengthen nails and prevent breakage. Treats redness and skin infections. It also has healing properties to treat burns. It is used in the treatment of skin diseases such as eczema and psoriasis. Vitamin E benefits for hair. Recently, vitamin E has been widely used to maintain hair and get shiny and healthy hair. It is an ideal treatment for hair problems and gives you a youthful appearance. Here we will mention the benefits of vitamin E for hair. Treats hair damage and brittleness. Helps increase hair length and density. It gives you healthy and shiny hair. Helps moisturize hair. Stimulates the growth of the tan and nourishes the hair follicle. Reduces the appearance of white hair. Vitamin E benefits for women and children. One of the important vitamins for the health of the body and is necessary to treat many diseases and works to support immunity, so it is recommended to eat foods that contain a high percentage of vitamin E for both women and children, especially pregnant women, or to obtain it by taking capsules, but it is recommended to be under the supervision of a doctor, and here we offer benefits for both the child and the woman. Pregnant women are advised to eat foods rich in vitamin E, because at this stage her body is missing a high percentage of it and it is very important for the formation of the fetus, but it is advised not to increase it in the first months because it may cause miscarriage. Taking vitamin E for a child helps to boost immunity and protects him from infection with many diseases. Vitamin deficiency for children negatively affects movement and walking. Effects of excess vitamin E intake. Effects of excess vitamin E intake. Vitamin E tablets frequently may be due to the body in many pain-willingly side effects because it extends the body of an overdose of the vitamin it needs, and here we will show a lot of damage to the vitamin intake. Taking a high dose of vitamin E exposes the body to heart disease and diabetes and may cause death. Overdosing may cause strokes. It may cause prostate cancer in men. It has side effects such as diarrhea or constipation, stomach bloating, stomach cramps, some swelling in the skin and blue marks like bruises. For any inquiries or questions, add your comment. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification to receive all new